So for those of you wondering how to invite a Discord bot to your server, now that we have our bot up and running and our backend web server up and running to accept it, we have our Discord bot printing out its invite URL. So if we were to click on this invite URL, it will take us to a browser page that tells us the icon of the bot, which we set up here. The icon of the bot, the name of the bot, wants to access your Discord server. This bot will allow the developers of Room Hero to add a bot to your server and create commands. What that means is that if we were to create and add additional / commands, it's going to add them to the server. There's a little drop-down menu here where we can choose the applicable server that we have rights to add our bot. In our case, we're adding it to the Glave Studios section. So from here, we're just going to go ahead and click on Continue. And because in our code, if you look at our code, under the section where I tell it to print out the invite URL, I'm giving it permission of administrator. So any permissions that you give here are going to show up right here, so that anybody looking to add your bot to your server is going to get this option. Now they can check this off and uncheck it if they don't want to give the bot that permission. So that is something that is up to the owner, person inviting the bot. If you want to personally invite the bot I'm making right now to your server, but you don't want to give it administrative permissions like I'm granting it, you can just simply uncheck that box and then click on Continue. If you have 2FA with your server, like you should, let's just be flat out with that one. You're going to be prompted to enter your 2FA here, click on Accept, verify that you're a robot, and it's going to say that it's been added to your bot or added to your server. So we can go ahead and now close this window because we're done. Next, we're going to need to take a pop over to our Discord. And let me just get that into you. So if we, it's huge. It's huge. That's what she said. Giggity. Oh my god, how fucking big is this bitch? There, sorry, I do apologize. Alright, so now we can see in Newbie Landing that, yay! Green Hero has been invited.